truck overturned on steep road. Oh no! Look! The goods are falling everywhere! The truck has overturned on the dangerous slope. Goods scattered everywhere. Orango quickly arrives at the scene, ready to rescue the truck. Craney hooks the truck with a cable to stabilize it before lifting. Lifty quickly packed the boxes neatly. Craney and French work together seamlessly to get the truck down to the ground as safely as possible. Lifty lifts the truck little by little, preparing to set it upright. Done! The truck has been rescued, cargo safe, road restored. One dark night, the wind blew gently through the quiet neighborhood. Everything seemed normal, until a strange shadow began to move through the empty alleys. The silence was eerie. People in the neighborhood began to sense that something was wrong. Some saw a dark figure passing by, but every time they tried to get a better look, the figure disappeared. There was only a feeling of fear. The police team received reports of strange occurrences. Mysterious tracks began to appear on the ground, strange footprints that could not be explained. The police team began to investigate and track down the traces of this dark figure. Suddenly, the shadow was not just a shadow, but started to attack. Strange shadows appeared all around, causing everyone to panic. The police team immediately deployed a plan to capture them, but the shadow was too fast, too difficult to catch. With the support of the police plane, the police team began to sweep large areas. A long night, the dark shadow still lurked, but the police plane did not give up, determined to find the source of the mysterious dark shadow. Finally, the police plane detected a hot spot where the shadow came from. The police team broke into the criminal's lair, broke the cover, and arrested the terrormongers. Rescued from a swamp. In the middle of a vast swamp, a truck suddenly got stuck in the mud. The more it tried to move, the deeper it sank into the swamp. Can the rescue team save this truck before things get worse? Immediately, Flair and Healy received the rescue order. Flair rushed over, using a strong water hose to reduce the depth of the mud, creating a space for the car to escape. Healy also prepared full tools to help when necessary. The mud continued to engulf the truck, but Flair and Healy were not giving up. They used rescue cables to pull the truck out of the swamp. But the more they pulled, the thicker the mud became, and the deeper the truck became stuck. Could the rescue team pull the truck out? Bobby did not delay. He used the powerful towing system to help push the car up. The rescue team with Flair, Healy, and Bobby worked tirelessly, coordinating every step to rescue the car from danger. Finally, the truck was rescued. The rescue team did a great job, and the truck escaped the dangerous swamp. Everyone breathed a sigh of relief, because once again, justice and cooperation prevailed. The sky is clear today. The clouds are as light as cream. The police car was assigned to escort the ambulance to the city center. Nothing special, but why is my heart beating so fast? The police car tried to stay calm, but why did it keep veering off the lane? Oh my God, there's the red siren again when it's not needed.
Aha!
The ambulance drove quietly beside them, occasionally glancing over. Was there something sparkling in their eyes? Helicopter flying overhead. Something exciting is about to happen. fire truck suddenly put up a sign, "Caution, area of heart palpitation." Fire truck put up a funny sign. Other cars saw it and laughed. Huh? The police car and the ambulance both looked at each other shyly, sensing the growing affection. And then, at the end of the street, the police car stopped, fumbled, opened the trunk. Inside was a gift box. The ambulance smiled, a smile as soft as the late afternoon sun. "Thank you, my hero escort." During rush hour, the city suddenly encountered an emergency. A traffic accident caused the entire main road to be blocked. Bobby received the signal from the radio and started moving to the scene, but the streets were too crowded. No other vehicles could move. With determination, Bobby began directing traffic, helping vehicles move away from the congested area, creating space for rescue vehicles to approach the scene. And this is where the Healy ambulance comes in. Healy quickly arrives and sets to work treating the injured victims. Meanwhile, Flare, the brave fire truck, is rushing to the scene, using water jets to extinguish the dangerous flames. With the help of jet, helicopters, police, and rescue vehicles on the ground can monitor the situation from above, helping them coordinate traffic more effectively. Thanks to the excellent coordination of Bobby, Healy, Flare, and Jet, the situation was quickly resolved. The city is back to peace and traffic is flowing smoothly. A construction site is in operation. Workers are working. Oh no! Part of the construction site collapsed, trapping many workers under the rubble. Will the rescue team be able to rescue them in time? Rescue vehicles are on the scene immediately! Bobby coordinates rescue. Flare will extinguish any fires, and Healy prepares to treat the injured. Jet will provide air support. Help me! Help me! Flare and Healy did not hesitate, immediately rushing into the fight. Both of them tried to quickly protect the victim. Jet flies from above, monitoring and providing information about safe areas and trapped workers. The rescue is underway. Injured workers are being pulled from the rubble, while Flare secures and Healy takes the victims to the emergency room. The rescue operation was completed successfully. All workers were rescued and brought to safety. The city will soon return to peace. Oh no! A rescue vehicle is stuck on the mountain peak. The road is too dangerous, but nothing can stop our rescue team. But don't worry, the heroes are here. The fire truck, ambulance, and police are all working together to rescue the stuck vehicle. And here comes the helicopter. The helicopter is here. This is the moment it will shine. With its ability to fly high and fast, the helicopter will do what the vehicles on the ground cannot. Oh no! With a strong rescue cable, the helicopter will pull the vehicle down. Will this plan succeed? helicopter is pulling the vehicle, but it's heavy. Can they pull it off? Let's see.
Ha!
Wow, yeah!
Woohoo!
What an amazing victory! At last, the stuck rescue vehicle has been saved, and our rescue heroes have once
Let's
again
go.
proven their strength and courage. With great teamwork, our rescue team has saved the vehicle and completed the mission excellently. A successful story of courage and unity. Good morning, City! And as usual, Bobby, our brave police car is patrolling, keeping the peace. But suddenly, an unexpected event occurs.
Hey, you! Over right there!
Bobby received an emergency signal. A car has been stolen and is on the run. Bobby immediately rushed out at top speed.
Hey, hey!
The streets are no longer peaceful. Bobby must quickly pass slow-moving cars so as not to lose sight of the criminal. A truck is blocking the road. Can Bobby get past it? Of course. Bobby quickly rushes through a narrow road, defeating the obstacle, not letting the criminal escape. And then, a big hole! The criminal car couldn't get out of it. Bobby got close in time and stopped the criminal car. The chase ended here. Bobby is not only a policeman, but also a real hero of the city. Thanks to Bobby's bravery and speed, the criminal is arrested. The city is peaceful again. Oh no! A boat capsized in a big storm. The passengers on board are in danger. Will the rescue team be able to save them in time? But don't worry! The rescue team is here. Fire trucks and ambulances are on standby, and helicopters are preparing to take to the skies. The rescue helicopter will approach the sunken ship from the air. Will it be able to save the passengers before it is too late? The lifeboats have set sail. With the support of helicopters, the rescue team will safely rescue the passengers from the sinking ship. Go!
Let's go!
The rescue is underway. The passengers are being loaded into lifeboats and will be brought to safety. Will everyone make it? Finally, all the passengers were rescued. The rescue team did a great job and everyone will return safely. Thank you to the brave and determined rescue team. Once again, they have saved lives, bringing safety and hope to everyone. Don't forget, when there is an accident, there are always heroes ready to help. Bobby was on a peaceful patrol when he suddenly saw a car being bullied and ran after it to help it, but was attacked by a group of criminals. It turned out to be the criminals' plan, and they hijacked the police car and sped through the streets, causing chaos.
Huh?
Immediately, the Love Team has received the signal. Flair and Healy will coordinate to extinguish any incidents that occur, while Jet flies up to monitor the situation from the air. The chase is in full swing. Flair and Healy quickly close in, while Jet observes the situation from above, helping to coordinate the pursuit.
Oh no!
Flair and Healy have come close, blocking Bobby's path and forcing the criminal vehicle to stop. Can Bobby be rescued immediately? Bobby was safely rescued. The team did an excellent job of de-escalating this tense situation. The storm was raging, and in the midst of the rainstorm, a truck was out of control and moving with great difficulty. Immediately, the rescue team was dispatched. Bobby quickly coordinated the rescue. Healy prepared to take the injured to the emergency room. Flair was ready to extinguish the fire, and Jet was also preparing to monitor from the air. Flair didn't hesitate, immediately rushing into battle with the fire. It used its water nozzle to extinguish the fire and prevent it from spreading. Jet flies from above, helping rescue teams on the ground monitor the situation from the air, while also providing information about obstacles and traffic conditions.
Yes!
The accident was resolved excellently. Today's not a normal day. It's Helicopter's birthday, but the whole team has decided to throw a secret party. But don't worry. In a hidden corner, the police car whispers the ambulance and fire truck plans. A big secret is being prepared.
Hello.
The helicopter looked at everyone with confusion and wondered what he had done wrong to everyone. He walked away sadly. Did he think everyone really didn't remember what day it was? The police car was sneaking around carrying cakes through the street, trying to move as fast as possible. But wait! A candle suddenly fell to the ground. The ambulance secretly prepared gifts, decorated everywhere, prepared everything wonderfully. Everything had to be perfect. Fire truck is practicing a dance for the celebration. Helicopter flies by, looking down, confused. Why is everyone avoiding me? Do I smell funny? Ta-da! Boom! The surprise party blew up. The cars jumped out and yelled, "Surprise!" A giant cake, gifts, and balloons filled the sky. The helicopter was so moved that he was speechless. Overjoyed, the helicopter spun around happily. One peaceful morning, there was a mine in operation. People were working hard and happily. Oh no! A mine collapse has occurred. Many workers are trapped under the rubble. Will the rescue team be able to save them in time?
Help! Help! Oh no!
Bobby and the rescue vehicles are on the scene immediately. Flair quickly prepares to extinguish the fire, while Healy will tend to the injured. Jet will provide air support.
Let's go!
Rescue teams were on the scene, with boulders piled high. With courage and speed, Flair worked to remove large boulders, helping to minimize the risk to those trapped. The rescue begins! The injured workers are carefully pulled out of the rubble. Flair secures the area, while Healy takes the injured to the emergency room. The rescue was a success! All workers were rescued, and all were brought to safety. Finally, all the trapped workers were rescued safely. The rescue was completed successfully. Oh, the dawn had just broken. Then crack! A wooden bridge in the middle of the river collapsed. Alarm! Alarm! Bobby rushes forward to block the road. Stop all vehicles from entering. Whoosh! Flair dashed over using the long life ladder, all the way to the edge of the bridge. Rumble! Reddy digs a new stake site. Craney pulls the giant pole into place. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Swirlo pours reinforced concrete. Secures every joint. Wow! The bridge was saved just in time. This dawn is more brilliant than ever. Stranded train rescue. Oh no! A large rock is blocking the tracks. The train can't move. Craney is here, and the crane is ready to lift the rock off the tracks. Boom! Dawsey is digging, clearing the way for the train to continue its journey. Phew! Reddy is pouring concrete, making sure the tracks are stable. Whoosh! Flair is spraying water, cleaning the tracks so the train can go through. And just like that, the train continues its journey, safe and sound.